guys, sibuyile kwakhona. Sike simthathe ngoku sike sonifaka apha eHappy Zone, apha eNkandla Lifestyle. Guys, ke sifuna ke sive kabanzi about this corner as banibone nobana it's interesting and abantu isoloko ibaseva apha eNkandla. Abantu nje they never run out of iHappy apha ngenxa yaba bantu balapha nibabonayo. Nalo bhuti ngoku ndizomcela into bana sibuyilisele apha kuni azazise into bana ungubani wapi. Khona nami grand.
Mojo kanjani kude yami?
Sharp khona nami ngicela nje uxelele nje i-viewers zethu nobana ubhuda ngubani wapi esenza ndoni.
Mina uthi yami nguNtanda yabo. Ngisuka eSoweto. Bathi la eMthatha nesikole yabo. Isipana yini.
Exe Tatito. So Tatito cela nje ke because ngoku enye into esiyithandayo kakhulu apha kule podcast yethu indwangu yabo. Ngoku senibona nendwangu ngoku xa ungixelela ngeSoweto I'm clicking yabo. But siyeza apha khona nami cela nje ukusifaka nje kwesisipano senzayo apha what type of work oyenzayo sure.
So yimi nganami ngidila ngamahabli yabo. Yeah, so mawufuna ihabli sisebenza yabo. But ihabli uyibhadala from le phezulu then thina sikwenzele yona yezansi. Nawo ama flavor yawabona khona. Mawufuna iflavor nje into echaywayo uyithola yini.
So Raz. So now khawusifake ke ngapha nje ku wardrobe yakho into bana what inspired okanye who inspired indlela onxiba ngayo nje okanye indlela onxibe ngayo namhlanje.
Yabihlele isinxibela ngayo akho umuntu onginspire yabo. But like ngisifila ngokwami ngishaye indwangu ukuthi show ngishaye indwangu.
So
yeah. Namhlanje bengisinibele nje normal mnganami angaka yenzi next.
Yes niyava guys uthi unxibe nje normal niyambona Tatito khona niyami masithi khona nje umuntu interested ubana mhlamba athi fika apha eNkandla bese ikubuzile nobana say can I get a Happy or what so not mhlamba yafumaneka on social platforms if you mind to share with the viewers ndobana ungubani on social media platforms.
Yeah, we social media platforms fumaneka like personal account not under iNkandla but we personal account nguNtando. Ntando 015 ku Insta then Facebook TikTok angibadlali.
So nisivele ke guys from Tatito and from me to you till next time, you know. Beautiful people, we're back again with another banger episode with omnye umuntu guys oseqophelweni eliphezulu, a very young vibrant DJ walapha eMthatha. But as you know into bana abantu apha asibazisi bazazisa ngokunokwabo. Sizomcela into kubana azibulisele azazise into kubana ungubani wakwabani esenza ndoni. Khona nami grand
ngizothi isixhosa nje yami ne.
Yes.
Ni grand ne smart ne igama lami Themngosi Ngqubula ne but ngokwe stage name ngubora RSA ne. Ya ndilapha eMthatha but uhlala kwami straight la lapha eSingisi. Apha nje senje kweskila everything no music but okwangoku niselapha ndibantshoza iskale lapha eMthatha. Yeah. But basically ngisela nsikeni eSingisi. Yeah.
Oh yes guys nisivele siphethe apha uBora SA esimazi ngalo guys nguBora SA lona simphetheyo namhlanje. Khona nami ndifuna nje okokuqala eyona nto siyasithanda bengumtsalane kakhulu ebantwini ukuthi iqale ibe indlela anxibe ngayo. Uyayiva yongo sicela ke uqale ukusifaka pho wardrobe yakho nobana ohlobo unxibe ngalo namhlanje utheni indlela ovuke uziva ngayo okanye mhlawumbi ikhona nje into inspire indlela onxibe ngayo namhlanje.
The weather condition ingonisile ba akukho manifumele maniphole akho ndicaba ke ngoku maniphole senje ba size groove mos so phole nje.
I like it. I know it's nga. Okay khona nami uyathi into obana igama lakho it's Thembinkosi right? But you are Bora SA. Tell how did you come up with the name?
I forget something. So eligama lithi Bora like livwele apha kubo bonke like it's nickname ne kubo bonke, so from kubo bonke to bobonke Bora RSA. Yeah, so ivele pale way.
It's your other name Kubo Bonke?
Yeah, Kubo Bonke, it's my nickname, my second name. Yeah.
Oh so okay, I like it. Okay, no namhlanje uzokwenza ndoni apha namhlanje? What will be seeing you doing up?
Dance a performer my brother, so perform around 1 to 2.
Okay, uzawube ujiji qhosha strong.
Yayazi.
Hayi ndiyayazi ke into yobana zange wasiphoxa. Guys, as babe nivile into yobana sime noBora SA apha. Guys, ndifuna ke ngoku akhe asixelele into yobana yena why he chose this path. Yintoni ekwenze into yobana ukhethe le path? Yebo, apha emculweni mos ukhona isingers, khona indoni but when you are a producer, a DJ, yonke nje laa nto, right?
To be honest, bro, I was a dancer ne. Ngisakhula. Olethi wanibona ba okay. Indlela yakhe lomnano imkhumbi emculweni. Bakhona abantu bra ne bafumanise kuba mhlawumbe ehlula kanye esigila ne. Fumanise kuba kunobe aye emva kwenkomo isibethe abe kwenye option azoyenza emva kwayo yabo. So Olethi decide uba okay, umntana mangenza umculo and then from there ngabamela umculo sikakhulu namamela uthela bra from 2018. I think I was 12 years old. Yabo. Yeah, qala ngam DJ. So from there to now okona nizama upusha but still yabo ngoku kuyazameka lapha ngoku sisazama still asikathi bakupha asikafiki kule ndawo asikafiki ndawo ngoku sisaya bra sisazosebenza futhi bra sisazosebenza bra.
I love it mani yagcina Hotman yam so that uzilungiselele nje ukwazi uphola kakuhle usibethele ngeza set zakho zikuyiqophelele phezulu. Guys, esibani izivele into bana kubora lona Hotman yam cala nje batsho lo into bana on social media platforms umuntu ohalela ukufumana phayana if uyafuna ufumaneka phofu andiqondi ba ungakafuni because nami ndiqhela ukubona phayana. So umuntu ohalelayo nje into bana ayokufikelele phayana kuwe angafikelela njani? What are your social media handles?
So ku TikTok proof mandithi is like kuzo zonke social media ngibora RSA my brother. Yeah, ngibora RSA kuzo zonke platforms. Okay, si platforms umculo na ku social media zonke ndawo.
Dumelang, sanibonani, ninjani? Oh yeah. Lady Teko Kangisile M41 today. You know we're back again with another banger. I'm here with the elite. One of the elite teams of Mthatha. Was introduce kwabo nazi manje introduce on the team. Please take it away. Unjani Putam?
Everything's awesome.
Yaphila namakhondo. Who are you and you know uzoya ndoni apha?
Okay, all the time I bonga matikizela all the way from Bizana, the founder and manager at Little Dance Academy.
Clock it. And my name I love.
Hi all, my name is Nicole Flacky and I'm all the way from Craddock. I'm the deputy manager of the Little Dance Academy.
Oh, nice. And then
This is Sigababa from Mlazi Gangsters, not Gangsters Maraya. Walapha ngilapha emthaba manje ngililitha dance academy ngizo-entertainer apha man.
Oh, uyakhuluma ubhuti lona ngalena. Sawubona bhuti. So guys, bana, what is the purpose of e-group lane?
Okay, firstly, we are an independent group, point number one, and we are all from the way of Bizana. The founder, as he already said, Mr. Tall Guy, the manager, he is the founder of Little Dance Academy. So it's all about stopping the kids from the streets, if I can summarize it like that.
All right.
Yes.
Nice. And then when I found of, you know,
yes, to appropriate.
What was the main purpose of you finding this entire brand?
Okay, I can say the main purpose, firstly, background I was not supported by parents when I started dancing,
Okay.
But then when I saw kids dancing, like no man, I should try something. Then I started Little Dance Academy so that I can groom them under Little Dance Academy so that I can build something.
Okay, but nipi nilapha Mthatha, right?
Yes.
What are you doing, guys? Are you just strictly dancers or you
Okay, Little Dance Academy is divided in two.
Okay.
Silapha Mthatha owangoku. Ikhona nasebhizana, but then under Little Dance Academy we have a Department of Welfare, of which we are focusing only with dance.
Yes.
But then after I, as the founder, realized, okay, my students are suffering from this and that.
Okay.
Then that's when we started Department of Welfare. Then under Department of Welfare, we do programs like donations for clothes, subscriptions.
Alright, when I put us in last, you know, you join this Little Dance group.
Yeah. Jwaleng. Kina Sigababa ya. I was a student from last year, ne. Into entertained for me Elite Dance Academy. I was from last year, 2025. I want to perform at the stage, and I was like, damn, this crew is so nice, man. Like I can join it, man. Like ngathi mangibona khona like ngithiwa uMira, uAyasi, uOngi, uOlwethu. I was like, damn, this nigga can dance. I was like, okay, nah. Let me join them, man. Let me get an interview.
Okay.
Let me join them. They like accept, ne.
Sure.
Once I accept, I was like, ngafaka nami effort ukuthi na ngikwazi accepteka kule academy.
Okay.
So now I'm a fully registered student.
Yes. Oh, okay, nice. When I'm done, say, what have you benefited from the group?
Okay, honestly, okokuqala under WSU, as I'm a student of WSU, I am a leader. I'm a class representative, so I was actually their supporter, and then fortunately enough, they recognized me to be their student monitor and coordinator. And yet again, fortunately enough, they upgraded me as they saw the skills and the leadership that I had amongst the students. They gave me the position of being the deputy manager. Yes, as honestly, I honestly think that this group is actually helping me to grow as a person, because not only am I only leading people, but also I am benefiting and self-growing and trying to communicate with people. As in few years time, I will be in a workplace, whereas I won't be able to be struggling with certain skills and requirements within the business environment, because I already have them. Yes.
Okay. What is your founder? What is your short-term goal and long-term goal for Inanzilita Dance Academy?
Okay.
You know, for umuntu phano curious. I'm curious nobana. I want to join this group party. I goal ya within like long-term and short-term goals. It's in.
Okay. For now, as you can data, but then what I have realized under Elite Dance Academy, there are students abafike besela, also involved in drugs, also in all other activities that are not good.
Yes.
So after bafake under Elite Dance Academy, that's when I realized, okay, Elite Dance Academy is doing something under the teenagers and the youth yase South Africa, because by then okay, now abaseli abachai, they don't do so guys in there. And after that I got recognized by abazali official abazali bancoma no okay umntanami akasaseli akasachai and akasayenzi lethile. So I am proud ngalento eyenzekayo, bengingayithembi from the start, but then so that's what I can say for now.
Yeah, guys, join Elite Academy, please, guys. Before I love and leave you guys, please that's when Elite Dance Academy. So if mana be and kanjani.
Okay, Elite Dance Academy next year, if mana or on TikTok, Sikona, on Facebook, Sikona. Then for bookings, it's 063 1393 Also email it to it's mlilita421@gmail.com. Also you can contact our deputy manager.
Yes.
078-246-1705.
And guys, you know, so ni plaga nina. Siyanithanda ingxaki. You know, bathe makwintoni Elite Dance Academy. Keyword Dance Academy. Kalihle phulo ogqibela. Ogqibela. Yes. Guys, nonetheless. Yes.
Word of the day.
Oh. Guys, that's it from us to you. We love you guys so much. Mwah.